Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to zoom in Chrome Android. So right now we're at Chrome. To zoom in at your Chrome Android, you just need to click on the three dots here on the top right and click on zoom, and this will appear. And once you click the sign, once you click the what do you call this, the plus sign, it will zoom. And once you click the minus sign, it will zoom out. Or you can either drag it up or drag it down. So there you go. And another way to zoom in and zoom out of Chrome is by clicking the settings right here, the settings. And when you're here, just go down and find accessibility. Where's the accessibility? There we go. Accessibility. Then here you go, default zoom. You can adjust it from here, so you don't have to adjust it again and again. We're gonna make it 150, and let's go back. And there you go. And to bring it back, just do the same process. Accessibility, then minus sign, or you can drag it if you want. So just click the plus and minus. There you go. Go back, and there you go. So yeah, so that's how to zoom in Chrome Android. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.